cows, and I've been good, because the Argentines look at this as barbecue, not as an animal that is alive. And we know, and we are well known as a country because of all that. And actually, the ocean, for most Argentines, ends here. It does. We're required to really create the culture of the ocean in Argentina. There is sensitivity. We could do that. But it's not done, has not been done, is being done at this very moment. So in order to think the ocean like that, if you're an Argentine, you need to be a poet. Like Jorge Luis Borges. I'm not going to read this poem about the sea, actually, but is wonderful. And what you could see is that in the soul of a poet, the ocean is there. So we have to really convey that idea by being a little bit poets. Argentina has a wonderful coastline and a wonderful ocean. Those are albatrosses. And you look, the seascape, look at these mountains. I mean, and compare with that. So it's a completely different environment. Argentina has about 4,000 or 5,000 kilometers of coastline. You have everything there. This is Peninsula Valdez. And this is the southern right whale. Wonderful, charismatic animals. South America sea lions. I did my PhD thesis on these animals. Not just individual species. Look at biodiversity in terms of mammals. It's huge, important biodiversity because this is a temperate ocean. It's not very, very rich in number of species, but is very wonderful in charismatic species. And is very rich in biomass, in the amount in the weight of the species that are represented there. Not just mammals. There are 4 species, at least 4 species of penguins that are completely dependent on the Patagonian Sea. That's the Magellanic penguin, one of them. WCS has done a lot of work on these animals. Lots of different species of marine birds, all charismatic, petrels, albatrosses, penguins, cormorants. Lots of beauty in this ocean, but also lots of global relevance. This is an albatross that comes from New Zealand, crosses the entire Pacific Ocean, and spends most of the year in the Patagonian Sea. Then, when it's ready to reproduce again, goes around the world to these little islands in New Zealand where it reproduces. So it's receiving species from faraway places. What we say is that it has global relevance. There is one thing that I would like you to remember too as my second message. Most of this wildlife that we want to preserve